In this tutorial, we will discuss about the water softening techniques at the domestic or municipal level. So first is chlorination. That is, chlorine gas or concentrated chlorine is passed in the water. That is, the reaction will be Cl2 plus water H2O gives us HCl plus HOCl. This is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, which is very unstable, so it quickly break into HCl plus one nascent oxygen is occur. This is the chlorination techniques. Okay, so this techniques advantages is it is very cheaper, easiest method, can easily, very effective. But the disadvantages is that the water contain the chlorine, and water can be acidic in nature, because this HCl is releasing in water. So the water pH scale falls below 6.5. So water become acidic. This is disadvantages. Okay. So our next technique is bleaching powder. Addition of bleaching powder in water. The bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2, which is added in water, plus H2O gives us CaOH twice plus Cl2. Okay, this is the reaction of the bleaching powder with the water. But the disadvantages of this using the bleaching powder is that the calcium hardness in the water is not removed from the water, or the calcium hardness is added in the water, because we are adding here calcium. So the calcium hardness is added in the water. So the next is by chloramine. Chloramine formula is NH2Cl. When NH2Cl is added in water, but how to get NH2Cl? Okay, so when amine is treated with chlorine gas, then we get NH2Cl plus HCl. So this NH2Cl is then react with the water. Therefore, NH2Cl plus H2O gives us NH3 plus HOCl. This is hypochlorous acid. Okay, so which is also, already I have told you that it is unstable acid, so it breaks into HCl plus one nascent oxygen. This is the process of the chloramine, that is NH2Cl. Then the next process is by UV rays. UV rays, this technique is quite costly, So generally the municipal corporation or domestic purpose it is not used yet, but in this technique there is one tube, electric tube. Generally, suppose this is the container which having the water in it, and this tube is UV tube, which is electric tube, which radiates the UV rays in the water. So all the impurities in the water are removed by this UV rays. But the disadvantages is just that it is costly. The next technique is ozonization, that is using of O3. This O3 is very unstable and breaks into O2 and O. This is nascent oxygen which is very useful to kill the bacteria in the water, and this process removes the color and the odor from the water, improve the taste of the water. Okay, this O is used to kill the harmful bacteria from the water. So this is the ozonization, that is adding of O3 in the water.